Today we're going to unbox this TiVo Stream 4K, a certified Android TV box from US which supports Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos sound. And this is the TiVo remote control which supports voice command, and it feels really good in your hand. Next we have the USB charger, the micro USB charging cable. Okay, and this is the USB charger. Comes with US 2-pin plug, and the AAA batteries is included, and a really nice and easy to follow user manual. And this is it. This is the TiVo Stream 4K, and it can support up to 4K of resolution, and it is powered by 2GB of RAM. Once you plug this into any TV, you can turn it into an Android powered smart TV. Alright, this is it. Thank you for watching, guys. Continue to support my channel by buying only from Smarter Home. Until we meet again, stay safe and bye.